All right, guys. One last thing we're going to go over here is creating composite shapes. And it's pretty much using the same principles we used here, just a lot more to it, I guess you could say. Maybe a little bit more complicated. So we're going to go ahead and hold down on our dot notification. Well, let's make the color green. Lines enabled. And here we go. Let's say I want to make something that looks kind of like a figure eight or two triangles kind of reflected off of each other. Um, so what you want to do here, and this is kind of why I showed you that diagonal option on the square, is basically you're going to make your or plot your points in that form of the 8 looking shape. So let's start out with -5, -5. Now for a diagonal, we can go -10, -5. Or, sorry, that would be a vertical. Let's say -10, -10. There we go. Now we're going to go back to -5 and go to -10. And then we can go -10 to -5. And then last but not least, we draw in our connecting line by restating our first point. So now we have a composite shape of two triangles, kind of making something similar to a figure eight. So there's a million different ways you can play around with this app. Uh, I think it's pretty neat myself. Hopefully, you guys kind of enjoy tinkering around with it a little bit and don't see it as just, some assignment. But basically, what I want you to do is create at least 4 or 5 shapes, depending on, your assignment. Um, so read the details on those. But create those shapes. Please try to get the lines in there. If you have questions, ask me. Um, we'll try to set up a Zoom session on this stuff, probably sometime tomorrow, if I was guessing. Um, but I really need the lines in there. I really need it to look similar to this. I mean, I would, if you want to widen out your coordinate plane, that would work too. But the main thing is having the amount of shapes you need to have for tomorrow. That way, we can move into finding the area of those shapes or the perimeter, depending on, certain things. But that's all I have for y'all today. Ask questions if you need help. Don't be afraid to get a hold of me. I'll walk you through it. I'll make more videos if I have to. I just want you guys to have an enjoyable experience and, learn from this app that is, pretty neat. But other than that, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Good luck. Peace out.